Okay, now we're going to do 25 diamond or aerosol push-ups, then engage the rope. We'll go to the top, hit the top, yell a loud, mighty aerosol, and then free rope or fast rope down to the bottom in a controlled manner.
Okay, Mike.
Diamond push-ups. They say diamonds are a girl's best friends.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
25 aerosol diamond push-ups.
Okay.
Huh.
Up we go. Up we go.
Readjust.
Up we go. 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 You're almost there. Almost there. You got it. 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 Got it. Oh, you got it.
Huh.
When did you do that?
Just now.
No, the rope hook, when you put it.